Alright, so we've looked everywhere on YouTube and the internet and we cannot find a video explaining what to do and how to hook up these switchback lights like in detail. So here's what you do. So you tap into turn signal light and you take the white coming off the headlight. The white goes to the middle, which is the black and yellow. The black goes to the green, and the yellow, which is the turn signal, goes to the black. So we're gonna do that now. Alright, here, so to connect all of the wires from the headlight to the turn signal area, we use T-taps, which you just take the headlight wires and connect it straight to the turn signal wires so that it has a ground, constant power, and turn signal.
And again, black to green, white to
Yellow, black.
yellow, black, yellow to black. We may go back and solder these at some point for a better connection, but for now, just to make sure it works properly and to test it, we're using these.